Welcome to this unboxing, review, and instructional tutorial of the wireless handheld laser pointer mouse. Okay, so let's take a look at the box. Okay, so let's open the box. Right over here is the mouse. And here's the USB receiver and a AAA battery. Okay, now you have an on and off switch, so turn the switch to on. Okay, so to install the battery, just remove the battery cover. Okay, now right here is the trackball to move the mouse pointer. Here's the right and left click buttons. Here's the scroll wheel. And over here is the laser pointer. So if you press down on here without even connecting the mouse, this is a standalone laser pointer, as I'm going to demonstrate. So you just push the button right here, and there's the laser pointer. So I'm going to connect the mouse to the computer, and let's see how it works. Okay, so I'm going to connect it to the computer. First thing you need to do is to plug this into the USB port. Okay, as you just heard, the computer detected it, and now it's installing the device driver software. So this mouse is plug and play. The computer should automatically detect it, as you just saw right there. Okay, so let's try it out. Now here's the way you hold it. As you can see, the mouse pointer is moving around with the trackball. So what you do is you just point it to something like so, and then right over here there's a trigger. You just double click that, and it opens it up. All you gotta do is point it to something and just single click to close. You can hover over things to highlight them, so it just works with a mouse, but it's handheld and it's wireless. Now I'm going to step back. I'm going to try to see how far it will detect based on distance. Okay, so I'm already 8 feet away. Okay, I'm going to use the laser pointer. Oh, about 14 feet away now, so it's still detecting. Okay, so I was about 15 feet away, and I was still able to operate the mouse, so it has a very good distance. I didn't try it further than that, but with 15 feet, it's still detecting the mouse, and it's still operational from 15 feet, so it may be operational even more than that. Okay, now you also have a button right here. Now when you push this button, the mouse lights up, and it lights up in different colors. So this is helpful if you're using it at night. So there you go. This was a review of the wireless handheld laser pointer mouse So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.